Some of you might have noted when I'm driving that there comes some really strange noise from the engine. I'm not sure if it's camshaft chain or something, but it doesn't sound healthy at all. Really spooky. And even if I'm driving with a lightly loaded bike and give full gas, now it's really heavy. So Guy suggested that to look at the octane levels, and yes, that was also something I had in mind. And now I investigated what to do. Yeah, today I was again on some treasure hunt. I was looking for these terminals here. To find them took me about 3 hours or so, and quite many different shops to look for them, and finally in one tiny repair shop I found those. Now I made me here this kind of plug. I will use the combination 628, so that should be the one for 91 watts octane. So let's then hope this will be better, and now I'm changing that. And so the trick is this: first to remove the fuse from the Motronic number 5. Should be about removed for 10 seconds or 15 seconds, something like this. So now I will insert the jumper. Yep, that looks now like this. And then the usual procedure: putting the fuse back in, ignition on, not motor on, putting 2 times full the throttle, and then I will see what happens. Well, the bike is running, so far so good. Looks positive, so I think tomorrow or the day after it's time for a test drive. Yeah, my experiment with the rattling in the bike continues. So I was at the BMW yesterday, and they instantly said it's the lousy fuel here in Colombia which would cause that. It's about 89 to 90 octane, so even with the special plug for the GS, it might not be enough, this plug, to handle it. So now I got some Dragon Power Clean tralala stuff, so that should add the octanes needed. So I'm giving now the whole bottle for 1 tank to start with, and then later only half a bottle. So let's see how it will then go until Ecuador.